Yes, thank you very much for watching this wonderful channel. Today I am going to talk about some of the wonderful and important aspects. I hope you will like it and you will understand the process, and then you will apply it and you will implement it. These are very important and essential things when you understand something. Your interpretation, when you understand anything in a great way, so you can come up with right decision and you can take your knowledge and information next level. So my dear friend, let's not waste our time. As we know that English is important language all over the world, so in this language you should be very fluent and very effective and good conversational person you should be in life. So I hope you have watched so many videos, so many things you have gone through, or you have read or listened so many speakers. But completely, I'm very different person or different speaker. So you will learn from me unmatchable things and unique things, which will always help you to development of your life and to betterment of your skills and knowledge. So this could be my beginning video. You can watch my thousand of videos which is available on YouTube. You can go and watch. There are different kind of content and different kind of structure are there. So you can go and watch and you can learn from those videos. Whatever you will learn, definitely you will it will succeed in your lifestyle, and it will give you huge recognition all over the world. So let's not waste any more time. We will start by learning with this. These are wonderful vocabularies which I have already mentioned it, so that I can make you explain. So first thing, we will take confidence. Confidence. I hope you understand the meaning of the confidence. Confidence, when anything, whichever is comes in your mind, you without any fear or without any hesitations, without your stumbling or without anything, you can conveying your meaning or giving representations in at your job place, or conducting briefings front of your staff, or communicating with any people coming from outside or inside, or your friends or family at your job. You are communicating with them effectively and confidently. So that would be confidence. If you face any kind of problem, or if you when you see the people they can't able to speak, or they can able to speak between one or two or in group, but they can't able to give the presentations. So somewhere they have lack of confidence, or their confidence is not that much, so they always face that kind of problem. So if you face that kind of problem, that means the confidence skills or confidence level is not that much, or you cannot able to give any kind of proper explanation or description about any kind of the product. So this is what we call confidence. So how you the main question is that how you can improve your confidence power, how you can understand that this problem I have and I should remove it, and it is my obligations, it is my primary responsibility that I should increase my confidence. So I can do anything in life. So my dear friend, one thing is, remember one thing, confidence is very important things, very important things. Whether you are working in sales profile, whether you are working, whether you are traveling, whether you are taking any kind of decision, if you take any kind of decision with confidently, definitely that things will happen, or it will be very positive for yourself. If you are confident, but a confident person, so you can achieve many things in life without any fear, or without any kind of getting problem. So you should be very confident, you should be very effective everywhere. And if you deal any kind of product or services at confident employee always like, if the person who has confidence, other people like them because they have confidence, and with the help of the confidence they can do any kind of work activities without thinking much. They can come up with a good information knowledge, or they can implement something new. So this is why the confidence is important, my dear friend. I hope you understand the meaning of confidence, why it is important, how you can build up your confidence skills, or you can increase your confidence power. Okay, the second thing is that self-understanding. So this is the also one of the best question and one of the essential or mandatory things that why self-understanding is important. First of all, we will talk about what is self-understanding. Whenever anything is happening, whenever any scenario happening or any decision you are making, so you should understand. You should understand what could be the great, what could be the positive, what could be the negative things, or if I take the decision, will it be successful or I will be getting much more trouble. So you should first understand or interpret yourself. So when you understand or interpret yourself, so you can make the right decision. So now you understand the meaning of why self understanding is important, because of the getting knowledge and because of the uh, having proper informations about anything, so that you can understand that things in a good way, perfect way, so that you can achieve or you can make any kind of planning or targets for the future. I hope you understand the meaning of self understanding why it is important. And the second thing is that evaluate. Third thing is that evaluate. Here, like you have multiple responsibilities and you are doing many kind of activities, and your role and responsibility is very big. So there are so many things which we cannot remember, which we cannot learn effectively. So we have to always put ourselves, our capabilities in those areas where we can learn the things. When now you have learned the things, so now you have to just evaluate yourself how much you have learned. Is it did you learn in properly way, or are you forgetting something? When you evaluate yourself, so you can remember, or you can identify that this is not in a good way, or this is not right things. I might forgetting something. So you have to just keep evaluating, keep giving examinations of yourself about various prospect, various subjects at your work, or if you are at home. So if you're facing any problem, or if you are mechanic or anything, so how you will get to know? You have to evaluate yourself. You have to ask questions to your employees or colleagues. If they know that things, if they have that informations, if they know that thing, so definitely they will let you know. They will put you questions, and that questions you have to analyze it. You have to interpret it, whether it is whether you have the right knowledge or not, or whether you are facing some kind of problem. So you should always have the right things when you evaluate yourself. So you should always evaluate no matter what is your subject, any kind of subject you have. You just evaluate, ask questions. What could be the right things? What could be the trouble questions can come? So let's suppose if you are working in a retail sector, so before coming the customer in the premises, you should understand what are the customer questions they can ask by the salesperson. So as a salesperson, you have to understand this is the price, this is the discount is coming. If you are buying with this product to that product, so combine you will get additional 5% off. Or if you are buying with this product to another product, so there will get the services which is provided by our company. So you have to just evaluate. You have to just identify the questions, or you have to anticipate that what questions customer can ask. When you believe that customer can ask this kind of question, so this whatever the customer is going to ask any kind of questions, you have to know. You have to learn the things. So how you can learn? You just evaluate yourself, whether am I able to give product information or not, whether am I able to know the product particular features, or am I eligible to show that product features to the customer, or I am facing some problem. So you should first evaluate yourself. You should ask the questions whether it is clear in my mind, or whether I know this specific informations, or somewhere I don't know. So you have to evaluate. You have to learn the process so that you can get the things done easily. So now the fourth thing is that one of the most important things, dedications. So doing all three things, you need to be very dedicated. You need to be very effective persons. So when you do any kind of with dedications, with this dedications and dedicated towards of any kind of work, so work will be perfect. And what work will be, you can complete work within a time, in a right way, in a good way, so you can achieve the things, you can achieve the objective of these are important things. So you should never forget, you should understand these things. Dedication is coming from inner side of your mind or heart, your soul or your spirit. When you are very dedicated, so you can do any work activities, you will feel happy. That's how you can complete it, that's how you can do. I hope you have learned these things. If you have any questions or problem, just leave your comments on below, and definitely I will check it and I will go through, and I will help you to sustain in this global and competitive market. This is my first video, and I want to give as much as information which I have. I want to deliver with you. I know I have gone through various perspective. I went many institute, or I have completed my study through various organizations or institutes. So definitely I have one of the best, one of the sparkling education's informations which I'm sharing. It will help you future to becoming the successful and wonderful person in life, in your lifestyle. Well, thank you so much for watching, and thanks very much. Thanks.